So imagine you just, close your laptop on a Friday. And over the weekend, this invisible employee researches 50 accounts, talks to 10 high-intent buyers, and actually books 4 meetings, all without you writing a single line of code.
Yeah, it sounds like magic, but it's actually what we're looking at today.
Right. Like we always do, we are checking out the AI Agent Store.ai website page. And today we're really zeroing in on the Alfred AI SDR agent. Our mission is just to figure out exactly how this autonomous system completely alters B2B SaaS revenue operations.
Well, the fundamental shift here is that we're moving way past those basic reactive chatbots. I mean, Alfred actually functions as a sales development representative.
Wait, so it's not just waiting for a user to click some generic prompt.
Exactly. It proactively greets qualified website visitors and engages them in multi-turn conversations. It doesn't just fire off a canned answer to a single FAQ.
Right.
It actually remembers the context of the user's past 4 or 5 questions, and it uses that history to guide them toward a specific outcome, like booking a meeting right there in the chat interface.
Oh, wow. So it kind of operates like a hybrid between a VIP bouncer and a 5-star concierge.
That's a great way to put it, yeah.
Right. Because mechanically it uses predefined qualification parameters to check IDs at the door. If a lead meets your criteria, the concierge logic takes over and rolls out the red carpet to book that calendar slot.
Yes.
But if they don't, the bouncer logic just politely deflects them to a self-serve buffet of marketing documentation.
Yeah, looking at the page, they list Alfred at a very specific 78% autonomy level.
78%, that's highly specific.
It is. And that number basically represents its ability to execute top-of-funnel tasks like researching target accounts and qualifying inbound buyers without any human intervention at all.
Oh, wow.
The mechanism making this possible is its persistent cloud architecture. So when you step away, the agent doesn't just shut down. Its memory and conversational context are stored server-side.
So it could, pick up an email follow-up on a Tuesday morning based on a live chat that started Sunday night.
Precisely. It seamlessly picks up right where it left off.
Yeah. Okay, but if this agent is doing nearly 80% of the work while my laptop is closed, who is actually in control? Because the page clearly states Alfred is a closed source model.
All right. And you have to contact them for enterprise pricing.
Exactly. So if I'm a sales director, handing over my pipeline generation to a black box is a massive risk, right? How do I know the system won't hallucinate and offer a prospective client a 90% discount just to close the meeting?
You hit the nail on the head. That lack of code-level visibility is definitely the primary hurdle for enterprise trust. You literally cannot pop the hood and tweak the underlying logic to guarantee it won't hallucinate.
Which is terrifying.
It is. But the trade-off becomes really clear when you look at how they deploy this through their agent factory model. You can actually launch hosted agents starting at just $29 a month.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. The core mechanism here is abstraction. The platform handles all the complex server setups, the language model hosting, and the guardrails. You simply give the agent its instructions via direct messages.
So you're treating it like an employee rather than a software program.
Exactly.
Which means founders and growth marketers are basically trading total code control for immediate high-level utility. I mean, they get a dedicated AI worker to execute account-based marketing without needing an entire engineering team to build the infrastructure.
Because the marginal cost of a sales conversation drops to essentially zero. You are no longer paying a human an hourly rate to qualify leads who might, never actually buy.
Right.
The AI absorbs all of that friction. It allows revenue operations teams to focus entirely on closing strategy rather than the raw mechanics of initial outreach.
Which leaves you with a really critical question to ponder. If an artificial intelligence can autonomously check the parameters, hold complex memory-driven conversations, and book the meetings well, what uniquely human skills must tomorrow's sales professionals master to stay relevant when the top of the funnel is completely automated?
Adapting to that reality is definitely going to define the next generation of sales careers.
Definitely something to think about. You can find the details we discussed at AIAgentStore.ai. Thanks for rating podcast.